You know, I think on that front is Kevin has the Josh about in that same way.
Yeah, you want a bath? All right, guys, on channel Z-24G, please subscribe, comment. So I'm doing an actual day walk on a beautiful Sunday at the High Line. The way it's being done now, you have to get tickets and reserve a time slot. It's free. It's just a good thing to do. Nice walk. Give you guys a view. Entrance was through, and here you see all the above. On Washington Street, the entrance, a couple of cool stores, a Samsung store, sugar store. It's a whole bunch of stores. There's a meatpacking district over here, which is pretty cool. As you get a rise above, there's a building over here. Whitney Museum is right next door, actually. And I hope you guys enjoy the walk. Please comment, like, subscribe. Trying to do a bunch of videos before I move. So hope you guys enjoy. And for any Tesla fans, Elon Musk fans, there's a Tesla store right down there. That's good to know. Keep on moving. And as we're about to walk underneath these beautiful arches. I'm using a GoPro 7 and 1080p. My videos stop at 15 minutes with the way I've been doing it. Again, I'm still trying to get used to it until hopefully the computer that I'm looking for I'm able to get. And again, we're above street level, so this is what makes this walk so beautiful and so nice and scenic. Let's see, the sanitizer over here. Need some? Sweet deal. So Giorgio Armani, I don't know if it's our offices, well, it's definitely not a store. We're above street level. And I'm about to show you 14th Street from the view I'm at over here. Let's check this out. Cobblestone streets. Standing for a minute, just enjoy the view. Anybody who comes to the city, this is a definite must to do. Must. So as we keep on moving forward. Want to pick up the pace? To my left, Look, some nice benches over here where you could just relax and chill, sit back, maybe read a book on a nice sunny day, maybe even get a tan. Again, it's October, and just to kind of give a little info, the reason why they're doing the ticket thing, normally we can just come up, but because of the pandemic, to limit crowds, they're reserving tickets. And again, socially distant. Everything is definitely socially distant, as if, let's say, if I turn around, there's nobody behind me. Very well organized. And you can get your tickets on Eventbrite, and that's how you can reserve your tickets for this. And over here we have another street over here, some nice restaurants. As we keep on going forward, down here is a pair of steps. And if we go over here, you can see the Hudson and the fun New York City normal of construction. And let me just show it. This is 10th Avenue, 15th Street, little park, and there you see the Hudson River. And there's only one-way movement, which means you can only go in one direction, not go back. The entrance is through the back. Again, it prevents just congestion. So again, that's a pretty cool thing. And again, all the green dots on the floor, pretty much just to do the whole social distancing thing. And this is awesome. Like I said, anybody who comes to the city, definitely just want to take a nice walk away from the streets, a little bit above. Definitely do it here. And there's restrooms up here just in case. And I'll try to do the best I can. Look at these very cool buildings over here. And over here is pretty much you can just sit again, relax, chill. Maybe if you have food, eat a sandwich. You can take almost like a view of you can take a view of the street behind glass. Again, a lot of cool things. That over there, you see the nets, it's a golf range over there. Those are Chelsea Piers. Again, another entertainment complex. And just funny thing is, I haven't taken a walk through the whole thing. I've done just a small walk. So again, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please like, comment, subscribe. This is Manhattan. This is up in the High Line. Beautiful walk above street level. Again, in order to get these, you have to reserve tickets. They're free, they're timed, they go really fast. And the app to use is to reserve your tickets, or to go through it, is Eventbrite. And above here, it looks like there's some restoration being done over here. And these are some very nice, my imagination says apartments, luxury apartments with these beautiful, I guess, glasses that have this effect that are almost looks like a barrel, like a jar sticking out, like the outside exterior of a jar. You know, many things to do in Manhattan. Unfortunately, I did a video, no Broadway shows. But again, though, things like this, scenic, beautiful walks, relaxing, organized. Not just anybody can just come up here these days because of the whole pandemic situation. Definitely enjoy. And these are nice things you can do. I believe this goes from 13th Street, again, right by the Whitney Museum, all the way through, I believe it's 30th. Let me just check the time on this. I have about 4 minutes before I cut off, so let me just go back and just show these buildings around here, just to kind of get an idea for everybody to take a look. And again, it's a beautiful walk.
Yeah,
It's a nice cool day over here. I would say it has to be like about like 60, maybe 61. Looks like they're walking like a little garden area over here. I guess it's a nice walk and chill. Alright guys, in about, I'd say, you know what, let me stop the video here right now. And I'm gonna do part 2 as usually. Like I said, a 15-minute max is usually what it does. All right guys, please check out my videos again. Enjoy. I'll see you guys soon.